Brother Bren here. I'm going to show you how to make your own beer and what equipment you need. Now I started, I don't know, about 4 years ago. Before that I was making wine, but I started making beer. One of my favourites is IPA. So I'm going to show you the equipment, the basics. Now a lot of this stuff you can buy online and I'll show you where you can buy that. But you can buy starter kits, that's the main thing. So what I have laid out here, most of it you can get together in a kit. So some of the basic essentials: you have your stirring spoon, you have your bottle cleaner, two very important instruments. You need your hydrometer. Now the hydrometer is what you use to work out the graduation of your beer, the percentage alcohol. So it measures the difference in the sugar content of a liquid. So while it's brewing, it changes the sugar into alcohol, so that's how you can work it out. Also a thermometer, because you need to check the temperature. Now, a few funnels of different sizes, it's always good for pouring liquids. Graduation cylinder for taking tests from your beer. Like various brewing tabs. Now these are for going on the top of your barrels. So there's a few varieties. There's one like this, so the airlocks. Or there's one like this. And you put the water inside and that, so the bubbles will come up. Pop, pop, pop. Here you have that goes at the base of your barrel, so you can open it to let the beer out. This is a very important tool. It's the siphon. So tubing is always important for transferring from plastic barrel to plastic barrel, and the siphon is very important because that actually helps. Now you can do that just with the tube, and suck in the tube and transfer it from one to the other. But with this, you're able to clip it onto the side of the bottle, siphon it, and it will do it for you. Quite handy. You can buy these.